In this example, we are going to see how to alter a table and also how to do sorting in SQL Server. I'm going to create a table employees data test. I'm going to have a salary column, which is a varchar column. Let me create it. I'm going to insert 6 rows to this table. I'm going to do a sum of salary from this table and see what happens. We got an error message because the salary is a varchar column and it cannot do a sum operation on that column. So we have to change the data type to hint. How to change it? Let's go back to the Object Explorer where we created these tables, refresh the HR database. In the HR database, go to the table which we created, employees data test, and then right click on this table, go to design, and then you change the data type here. So I'm just closing this designer to make sure that we get the right design, latest value, go to design. You see that salary was a varchar column, you are changing to integer. I'm going to save on this. Now we are saying that saving changes is not permitted. The changes you have made require the following tables to be dropped and recreated. This is going to be hard because dropping the table, losing the entire data, recreating the table is not required, and we cannot able to do that. So let's go back to the query window. You can do the alter table using a SQL script. Alter table, table name, alter column, and give the column name and change the data type to int. Let me execute this command. The command is completed successfully. Let me do this sum of calculation. We are able to do the sum because the data type changed from varchar to int. In summary, you don't want to change a table or drop the table when you want to change a data type or you want to add a constraint or you want to do some kind of data manipulations. In summary, you don't want to drop and create a table if there is a data type change or want to add a constraint. Use the alter table script to alter the column. You can even add a constraint, you can add an index, you can add anything. Don't drop a table because there is some change in the table. Let's look at an example. How do we do sorting for this table? So we have an employee data test. So let's start from employee data set. We'll execute this query. We look at the salary column, it is not sorted. So let's sort this column order by. To sort it, you have to use the order by class. You have to say the column name. I want to say salary, whether it is an ascending or descending. I say it is descending. Now you see that the column is sorted when you use the order by class. Now you can change it to ascending and test it. Now the salary being sorted in ascending order. That is how you can apply sorting in SQL Server.